Ready?
Yes.
Put a green plantain in.
So you need to be strong to do this? I gotta have muscles?
You don't need that much muscle.
Sprinkle, razzle dazzle of salt.
You get another press just to make sure.
Hiya.
Okay.
And then,
one.
oh, I thought she was gonna go in the fryer.
Salt.
I think my favorite's the green.
Get an
I don't
extra
know.
press.
All right, and that's that.
Yeah.
Some places and some people with everybody. And I've had.
Guys, this is the green plantain completed. And this is the ripe plantain. And that's it right there.
And let us know which one is better.
All right.